Good morning. This is just to show you a sprinkler which is irrigating, watering this crop plot that you can see behind me, using a very powerful sprinkler providing up to 100 cubic meters per hour, which is used in this region of the Pyrenees. You can see how it makes different cycles, but the quantity of volume, the volume of water that is irrigated is controlled specifically up to a user configured water volume. At the point in which that water volume is reached, the ISURDROP unit shuts off the sprinkler, sends an information to the customer explaining that it's already done, and he will wait till the next time slot to perform another irrigation sequence. As you can see, it is used in different crop plots all over this region. That's all. Thank you.